Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your earbuds Sony with your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click pair new device at the top, and after that open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. Now, at the back side, right here at the top, we have touch areas. Firstly, we need to put your earbuds to your ears, and then press and hold at the both of these touch areas until you will hear Bluetooth pairing, and also we will see it at the device list. Now I start to press and hold at the both of the touch areas. And here we go, Bluetooth pairing, and now we can see it right here at the device list. Tap on it, and then click pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!